So in this video, you'll learn how to enable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll until you find About Phone. Tap on it. From here, select Software Information, and then look for the build number. Tap on it 7 times. And then if you have a PIN, password, or pattern added onto your phone, you'll be prompted to enter it in and then tap on OK to confirm that you wish to enable developer options. Once it's been turned on, you then want to navigate back to the main settings menu, and then underneath the option About Phone, you should see developer options. Select it. So from here, you can now start customizing your developer options settings. So you can choose to enable or disable different settings all from here. And then when you're ready, you can just exit the Settings app, knowing that you've successfully enabled developer options. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.